Okay, can I do this without having to get out and check? It's really tight. This is really snug. I'm not gonna lie. But hey, you know what? You just keep doing it till you get it sorted. To flip my mirrors up so I can see up top. So I want to make sure I'm not hitting anything, you know. And I'm way over on one side here. Hang on a sec. There we go. That's better. Boy, this is really scratching up my truck on both sides. Wow. Look at this. I got leaves practically. But it's not just that. It's the thicker branches I'm worried about more than anything. They scratch my windows. Just go slow and easy, Lynn. They scratch my windows because I only have acrylic. I don't know if I've told you this before. I have acrylic windows.
Head west on Sire Line toward Victoria Rail Trail.
The nice part about acrylic windows is they don't break, you know, and they're lighter, of course, and they allow you to flip open, which is really nice. Nice country road. Yeah, I like it here. 10 out of 10 on this one, for sure. Oh, yeah. Wow, this is a wooden fence. Yikes. Oh, there is a bit of steel there, I guess. Wow. Woohoo! Found a Timmy's. Had to be done. All right, so we got 20 minutes to the next destination, and I didn't get gas. I'm almost full anyway, but I wanted to top up with gas at $1.19. That was cheap. That was a good deal. And then I saw Costco, and I'm like, I should go in there and get supplies. But the truth is, I really don't need supply. I don't need anything. I've got to stop doing this where I just see something and it's like, let's go stock up just because I can. Just because I can doesn't mean that I should. I don't need it. I just don't need anything right now. I have clean clothes. Ooh. Okay. We got a lake. This is nice. Wow. Oh, I just hit that branch. Yikes. That's not good. Let's go over here a little. Yeah, it's a resort, all right. Okay, the main building's up here, I believe. And, oh. Parking's way back here. So I gotta find somebody to talk to. Find out where I'm supposed to be, because this is a big place here, for sure. Okay, I think I passed it. I think this is it here. It's kind of cute. I like it. This is called the Elmhirst Resort. Main building. Okay, I think I'm in the right place. Wow. Okay. This is cool. The spa. This is their restaurant. Cool, huh? Ooh, what a shock from coming from the air conditioning inside out to, it's up to 37 now. That's insane. Very, very hot. And I'm wearing pants. I don't have shorts. I gotta get some. Oh my God, I left a step down. drove all this way with the step down. Not good. Whew. That is warm. Anyways, they want me to go down to the very end here and set up, but I don't know. I saw a sign that said harvest hosts, but I'm not sure what they meant by. I think they're just kind of implying that I can go anywhere here. So let's find a spot. Let's find a spot and get set up. And oh, I see one trailer over there, but it looks permanent. It looks like it's permanently here. So let me get set up. Let me look around, get set up, and look at this, right by a lake. This is awesome. Woohoo! I love this. All right, I like this. I like this spot right here. Look at this. My nice big window there looks out onto the lake. Woohoo! I can go down, sit on the dock if I want. I can go for a walk back up to the restaurant. It looks like a pretty cheap restaurant too, like not expensive, you know. But I've got food, I've got leftovers from yesterday, so what I might do if I can, if they'll let me, is just go in for breakfast in the morning, right? I'll go in and have a nice breakfast. Then I'll start my 3-day fast because I cooked food last night. I'm eating the leftovers tonight, and then, but I do want to patronize their store. Anywho, too much talk. Let's get set up and figure it out as we go. I don't feel like leaving. I just want to stay. Like forever. I love this. It was a bit loud though, I got to admit, last night. There were kids partying around here, most like till 2 in the morning. That's the only thing that got to me. Ooh, look at all that firewood. I didn't know we could have a fire over there. Look at that. Check it out. Look at this. Damn. If I knew that, I'd be over there cooking on it. Come on. Let's go check this out. This looks too cool to pass up. Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? Okay, so we're at Elmhirst Resort on Rice Lake, and we're going to be moving today towards Peterborough. It should be fun. I might take the opportunity to go to a couple spots. I need to get gas for the generator. It's super hot, like the last couple days, 35, 36 degrees, with a humidex of like 40, which is what, like 100, 105 in Fahrenheit? I don't know. And I think what happens is being by the water makes it more humid or something. I'm not sure. I'm no weather person. I wouldn't know about stuff like that. Okay, I did the silly check inside already. Okay, oh, these have to be turned. I turn these out so that this door doesn't hit them. But you gotta push this, ouch, push this up, and then this turns. But you see how this lines up? You know, I don't want to wreck my door. Same thing over here. Okay, I think we're good. What a mess, eh? Jeez. This thing's filthy. Okay, I just locked my hubs, 4x4 shift in progress for 4x4 low shift to neutral. Okay. I believe I'm in 4 low. Watch this. 4 low means it's going to rev really high. But I'm just going to run out of the park in 4-wheel drive. The reason I do that is because I have a true... Oh wow, look at this. Even when I turn, it's very... Okay, let me go to 4 high. Shift to neutral. Okay. Advanced track on, whatever the heck that means. Okay. 4 high. So I'm just doing this to keep the hubs in the front wheels loose. Uh-oh. And because I might actually need to use it in a second. Because the top of the rig. Anyway, I'm in 4 high, and I'm going to just go to the end of the park here where I leave, and then unlock the hubs again. It's just good to have the front end hubs turning and staying loose and lubricated and everything. It's just good maintenance. Never go for long periods of time in 4x4. You'll destroy your tires. It's not good for anything, really. I mean, it's okay for a while or to get out of a situation, but I wouldn't drive all day every day on it. Okay, it's time to unlock them. I'll show you what I mean. You just go down here and turn the hub. That one's nice and loose. This one's been a problem. It's really hard to turn. Wow, my truck's sure getting a workout here. Oh, come on, maybe you can do it. Get up that hill. This is crazy. Wow. It's been like this for the last 5 kilometers, and the road's like a washboard, so it's very bumpy. Sure is pretty though.